In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide a post on Reddit. Whether you're trying to clean up your home feed, remove posts you don't want to see again, or just make your browsing experience a bit more focused, hiding posts is a quick and simple way to do that. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to tap and what to look for, so you can hide any posts you don't want to see. First, open the Reddit app or website, and make sure you're logged into your account. Hiding posts is tied to your account, so it won't work properly if you're not signed in. Once you're on Reddit, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You should see your profile icon there. On mobile, this might be a small avatar or a circle with your profile picture. On desktop, it's usually your avatar or username near the top right. Go ahead and click or tap on that profile icon. This doesn't hide anything yet. It simply opens up more options related to your account and how you interact with posts. You'll stay on Reddit, but you'll see a set of menus or controls that let you manage what you see. Next, navigate to the post you want to hide. This could be on your home feed, in a subreddit, or even on your profile page if it's something you've come across before. Once you've found the post you'd like to remove from your view, look for the three dots icon associated with that specific post. These three dots are usually arranged horizontally or vertically, and are often found near the top or bottom right corner of the post, depending on your device. Tap or click on those three dots. This opens a small menu of options related to that post. You might see things like save, share, report, and a few other actions. Among those options, you'll see one labeled hide. This is the one we want. Now simply click or tap on hide. As soon as you do this, the post will disappear from your feed or from wherever you were viewing it. Reddit will treat that post as hidden for your account, which means you shouldn't see it again in your normal browsing, and that's all there is to it. By opening your profile options, tapping the three dots on a post, and choosing hide, you can quickly clean up your Reddit feed and keep it focused on content you actually want to see.